Let's rank butter toffee. This crunchy treat has a rich, buttery flavor. Is it a sweet delight or just okay? How do you rank candy corn? This Halloween staple can be controversial. Are you a fan or do you avoid it? Where does Circus Peanuts rank for you? These marshmallow-like candies are quite unique. What's your take on them? Rate this candy. Gobstoppers. These everlasting candies offer a variety of flavors. Are they a fun challenge or just tedious? How do you feel about Jelly Belly beans? These gourmet jelly beans come in a wide array of flavors. Are they heavenly or yuck?